All right, so our starter has more than doubled. He's got little bubbles on top. You can see all the bubbles throughout him. So we're ready to bake. And oh, and also I got my little glass lids in that I ordered. And don't you look how cute that is? Yes. Oh, I thought you wanted to say something.
I was being quiet, I heard you talking.
We're gonna do the one for the Italian urban cheese first. So I'm gonna put my bowl on the scale and zero it out. So to this, we're gonna do 325 grams of water. And I warmed this up just a little bit. It's not hot, but I like it to be warmer than like room temperature because it'll help speed up the process of my dough. $325 exactly. I'm gonna zero it out again, and then we're gonna add 125 grams of starter. Let's see if I mean, you can see, I mean, he is ready. Very sticky. Exactly, 125. Now we're gonna take this off of the scales and we're gonna whisk it. And I like to do mine until it gets like a little foamy on top. All mixed up. Back on the scales. Now, since we're just doing a plain loaf and we're just gonna add like our inclusions, it's just gonna be our starter, water, flour, and salt, and that is it. So I'm gonna add 500 grams of bread flour to this. I'm gonna add 10 grams of salt. I'm gonna take this off the scale and then whisk this together. Now we're gonna put on a glove so we can really get in there and get that dough mixed up and make sure there are no dry pockets of flour. You can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you. When I lift this bread up, see that extra flour down there? And so I take it, if I can get a hold of it. And so I take it and I flip it. Then you can see the dry flour still right here. So you wanna make sure all that is mixed up. Plus, the more you handle your dough right now, the stronger it's gonna be and the better rise you're gonna get on your bread. Sometimes I'll go around my bowl like this with my bench scraper just to get the edges off because it'll make cleaning up when all this is done a lot easier. If you've worked with sourdough long enough, you know how hard it is to get this stuff off after it dries. If you notice when we pick it up now, there's no dry flour, so we are good. And she is sticky. So this one's gonna be our Italian urban cheese. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it rest for an hour. And then I'm gonna move on to do the jalapeno and cheese.